Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best inside pipe cutter is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious DIY enthusiast or professional plumber tackling PVC pipe projects, offering a clean, precise cut inside the pipe without damaging the exterior. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting, using, and maintaining this handy tool, helping you achieve professional-looking results every time, regardless of the pipe's size or material. Number 5. Primeline RP77171 Cutter. Say hello to effortless plastic pipe cutting. It's rust, corrosion, and streak resistant, with a beautiful chrome finish. This cutter boasts a hardened steel sawtooth blade, perfect for pipes 1 to 1/4 inches and larger in diameter. It makes quick work of any job. Easily attach it to your power drill for fast and efficient cutting. It's designed for convenience and speed. Get a clean, flush cut every time. No more uneven edges or messy cuts. Remember, it's specifically designed for use on plastic pipes only. Always use with a power drill for optimal performance. Upgrade your pipe cutting experience today. It's the ultimate tool for any professional or DIY enthusiast. What we like. This cutter boasts a beautiful chrome finish that resists rust and corrosion. It also provides a flush cut, ensuring a clean finish. If you value durability and a professional look, this is the tool for you. What people say. Works amazing for shortening 6 inches PVC pipe extensions for catch basins. I was looking for something to cut down the pipe and this worked great. Takes a little getting used to, but by the third on it was smooth as butter. I have two 4-inch ABS sewer line cleanouts that were a trip hazard because they were above ground. When attached to my cordless drill, both were clipped to even with ground in less than 10 minutes. The best part is that it cuts from inside the pipe, so I did not need to dig out a large section, as I would have had to do if the cut was made from the outside. Once you get the hang of it, it's a useful tool for certain situations. Number 4. PVC Pipe Inside Cutter Kit. Let's see what's inside. You'll find 5 saw blades in various sizes, an extension rod, gloves, and sandpaper. Everything you need to get started. Assembly is a snap. Just attach the extension rod, then the saw blade, and finally tighten the screw. There's a protective oil on the blade, that's normal. It's built to last. The durable carbon steel shank resists rust, and the high-speed steel blades are incredibly sharp and long-lasting for efficient cuts. This cutter works wonders on PVC, plastic, and wood. It can even handle soft metals, but remember to use coolant to prevent overheating. Always wear gloves and eye protection. Never exceed 20,000 RPM, and keep it away from children. Your safety is our priority. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. This kit comes with multiple saw blades to handle various pipe diameters, and it's incredibly easy to install and use. Its versatility makes it perfect for various materials and applications. If you need a solution for different pipe sizes and materials, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This inside pipe cutter drill bit shank is ideal for a few applications we see maintaining properties. The older pool autofill pipes are in very small access baskets, and when someone breaks the PVC pipe during autofill float replacement, it becomes a nightmare to cut and remove that pipe with a hand cutter. We have used this solution to cut from inside the pipe and allow us to then place a pipe extension with a coupler. It makes my job easier. I cut abs drain for shower and toilet. Excellent tool. Never used one until now, saved a trip under the house, cut the toilet flange off easy. Number 3. Mellbree Inside Pipe Cutter. This innovative tool makes cutting pipes from the inside quick and easy. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach places. Installation is a snap. Simply follow the included instructions and you'll be cutting pipes in no time. Remember to tighten the screws securely. The high-speed steel blades are incredibly durable and sharp, perfect for PVC and plastic pipes. They can even handle soft metal pipes with coolant. It's small and lightweight, making it easy to carry and use in various locations. It fits most electric drills. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when using this tool. Never exceed 20,000 RPM and keep it away from children. Your purchase includes the Mellbree inside pipe cutter, along with multiple saw blades of varying sizes. Contact us immediately if you have any issues. What we like. This cutter features durable, high-speed steel blades for a clean and efficient cut. Its compact size makes it easy to handle and store. If you prioritize sharpness and ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked very well. Easy to install on a drill or impact driver. Seems well made and easily cuts inner SCH40 PVC pipes with ease. Multiple blade sizes also comes with the package. This product works perfectly. It took about 5 minutes to cut a 4-inch threaded adapter off, allowing me to install a new one below ground level. Number 2. LASCO 13 to 2996 pipe cutter. This innovative tool is designed to make cutting PVC pipes quick and easy. Say goodbye to messy, inaccurate cuts. Its durable metal interior ensures long-lasting performance, while the plastic exterior provides a comfortable grip. Simply attach it to your drill and let it do the work. It's the perfect solution for clean, precise cuts every time. Watch as it effortlessly glides through PVC pipes, saving you time and energy. It's incredibly efficient. This tool is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional plumber. It's built to last and simplifies a challenging task. Its simple design makes it incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. Get professional results with minimal effort. What we like. It's a simple, drill-powered tool that makes cutting PVC pipes a breeze. Its ease of use makes it perfect for quick jobs. If you need a straightforward and efficient solution, this is the perfect choice. Number 1. Reed IC1SL Internal Pipe Cutter. This innovative tool lets you cut pipes from the inside, saving you time and effort. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach places. Use it for cutting pipes below floor level, in ceilings during new construction, or even around pools. It simplifies many challenging jobs. Replacing closet flanges is now easier than ever. It makes quick work of this common plumbing task. Made from heat-treated steel, it's built to last. Its design ensures fast and efficient cutting every time. Simply use it with a standard 3/8 drill for convenient and precise internal pipe cutting. It's incredibly user-friendly. This tool is designed for speed and efficiency. It significantly reduces the time needed for internal pipe cutting. What we like. This cutter is made of heat-treated steel for durability and provides fast, clean cuts. Its versatility makes it suitable for various applications. If you need speed and durability, this is the tool for you. What people say. Had the chance to use this on some 3 SCH40 Cellcore PVC below the slab, and it did a very quick job of cutting. The metal collar made it easy to get a straight cut at the depth I wanted. This inside pipe cutter works great. The original one I had did not have the adjustable depth gauge, and I never could get a real straight cut with it. The adjustable depth gauge on this one allows you to cut the pipe nice and straight. Works great. A brilliant tool if you need to cut a pipe in a set position. Cuts within the center of the pipe. Use power tool, not battery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.